Hi everyone. Hope you guys are all doing well. I'm Amanda, and before anything, please subscribe below, hit the notification box, so you can see more videos or, get a notification anytime I post. But okay, let's get into this. So I'm excited because it's after Christmas. I'm sure we all have gotten products and products and products of stuff. And so I'm excited to be like, what did I get? And, just show the stuff I get and start using it, actually. I actually got, for Black Friday, I got this cute Sephora bag. So today's video, I'm so sorry. And did I say Sephora? Sephora, I meant Ulta. So sorry, Ulta. I do get those stores mixed up. This is my makeup journey. Please join me. Okay. So, again, I'm going to show you the Ulta products I bought. Ulta brand products that I got / came with what I purchased for Black Friday, and then some I just picked up. And what I'll be using and trying out. So I got this awesome bag, and it came with a bag full of stuff. And I got it for free when I bought my stuff for Black Friday. So I'm excited. And it's a gift with purchase. That's what they're called. I was reading the bag right there that all the stuff came in. It said Ulta gift with purchase, fall gift with purchase. And I got some other stuff. I love this bag. It's beautiful. It's soft. It's like suede material or my forever, whatever. But it's soft. That's all that counts. And it's like has this little fringe on it. And I actually have been using it. And I usually don't use any bags. I don't even carry a purse 90% of the time. I'm a bad girl. In the sense of I don't carry accessories and stuff. But since, I have been wearing some makeup and trying it out, I should be carrying, some stuff to like touch up when I need to. So I'm going to be carrying that purse. But let's get into what came in that bag, which I don't even know. I haven't even opened. Here's the bag. And it came with a $5 off any $15 or more purchase Ulta Beauty coupon, which I'm excited about to use. I used to be a hardcore couponer, so I'm going to do that. But I think all of them are the same barcode. Okay, anyways. So let's see, what did I get? I got a sharpener, which I really needed for my son's pencils. Because I have one for makeup. I need one for my son's pencils. So, hey, there you go. And I got these two, I don't know what they are. These little booklets type thingies. It doesn't say anything on them. It just says made in China. I'm going to open them. Let's see what they are. It's like Christmas all over again, right? Gotta open stuff. I don't even know what I got. I had this since Black Friday. Let me throw it away right there. Just toss that. Oh, bless you. Bless you.
Sorry.
That's my son right there in the background. So it looks like it's a bronzing palette. This is what it looks like. It doesn't say what it is. Is it? That looks like a bronzer. That looks like a highlighter. And where am I? God, it's so hard going backwards in these things. It's translucent. Radiant diamond, warm, and translucent. So let's see. Let's swatch these. Soft. Super soft. I mean, the packaging itself feels super cheap. Okay, yeah, that's clean. Right there, right there, right there. I mean, let's see. And it doesn't even show up on my skin. Okay. I don't know what I'm going to use this for. We will find a purpose. It hardly shows up on my skin at all. That's not a good bronzer for me. That's a little too light. Okay. Alright then. I could just imagine someone with a darker skin tone than mine. And won't be able to use that at all. Alright, let's see what this one is. Oh, a little eyeshadow. It's a little eyeshadow palette. It has the names printed on them. See, if something like this can print the names on them, it's super flimsy. Little. Why can't other palettes do it? Because I need to know the name of what the color is. So when someone asks me, I can do it. Okay. Okay. Quick 570. My son's getting ready right now. So yeah, it's a little, and it comes with a little brush. It really does look dinky, cheaply made. Let's see the colors. Let's swatch them. They're soft. I mean, I'm not lying. They are soft, but Those are the first three. Sunshine, can you see? Yeah, I did three right here. The other one just didn't even show up. It's right there. That was Sunshine. And then let's do the next three. I had to show up on, well, that color showed up on my skin. Fearless. But Say What and Buzzword probably will be transition colors. Good swatches. Worst swatching ever. But anyways, they are hard to show up on my skin color. You can see right here, those are all of it. The eyeshadow palette and then that face palette on my hand. Yeah, I mean, I'm not expecting that much from them, but it's just funny. We'll see if I ever use them, or maybe I might just, like, my little niece who loves makeup, probably do that. And then I got a tinted eye primer in satin blush. Oh, that's so nice. That actually I like, because they're eyeshadow primers, which I'll show you, I actually bought. So but I didn't buy this one. I didn't buy it in satin blush. Let's open that. Okay, so right here. Can you see that? There you go. Let's see what it looks like. Holy crap! Look how big that hole is. Jeez. You know how much eyeshadow primer? It's an eye primer. It's an eye primer? Yeah, it's an eye primer. Holy crap, look how much comes out. This is so weird because the regular one, they actually have a different head to it. So you gotta be really careful. That's it right there. I mean, it's a blush color. Shiny. And I mean, I like to see how that performs. I bet I probably would have put it with the color that I'm using on my eyes right now. I probably would have used this as a primer just because it gives off like that blush, that pinky color type with some reds in it. It would be really nice underneath the reds and stuff. It is morning time. People are mowing their grass outside. I have my son. He was doing so. Okay, let's get back to this. So that was the eyeshadow primers were, that was pretty, but that hole is just really weird. I mean, it's just so big, and I'm like, you have to be really careful how much you squeeze out. I don't know why they just didn't do it in the regular thing. So I have an Ulta Beauty matte crayon, lip crayon. I've gotten one of these before. I actually have gotten Ulta Beauty lip products before, and I really didn't like them. It was my first time ever getting matte lipsticks, what are they called? Matte lip thingies. The liquid lipstick, there you go. I was like, what are they? The matte liquid lipsticks. And, but then again, I didn't know how to exfoliate. So maybe it was my bad and not really the product's bad. I don't know. But this is in the color Sorry. I can't. Can you see it? I can't read that word. Okay. And let's see how this goes on. Well, it feels nice and creamy. I don't know how long that's gonna last on, but I mean, you can just carry it around and apply it to your lips. It's a lip crayon. It's a matte lip crayon. It doesn't look that matte, but maybe it dries down to matte. I don't know. Something nice to try out. And it came with a Color Rush lip gloss. Now, it's in Olivia, the Color Rush lip gloss. So this is, I get a little confused by this. If you put a matte lip color on and then you put a lip gloss over it, why did you put the matte lip color on to begin with? I'm very confused by that. God, picking up these packagings is like so difficult. Okay, so I got this Ulta Beauty Color Rush lip gloss in the color Olivia. See right there. And like I was saying, or like I said earlier, if you, this is nice. I mean, I don't know if I'll wear these colors. I don't know if they'll look good on me, to be honest. There you go. That's it right there. Let's see. Feels sticky, super sticky. I don't know, I gotta try it on. I'm not gonna be trying anything on my lips for now until this sucker heals. Okay. So if you put a matte lip color on, why do you put a lip gloss over it? I'm so confused by that. Because I'm like, isn't the whole point is because you wanted matte lips? but then you put the gloss on it, and I'm like, but then why go through the uncomfortableness of the matte lips? And I have some matte lipsticks that are like, they're comfortable as far as I can tell what matte lipsticks can be comfortable, but I mean, they're not like, it's not like a lipstick or like a lip tint or whatever. They're not like a lipstick comfortable. They just aren't. Yeah, you don't have to reapply as often, but they're not that comfortable. Ulta Beauty eyeliner in blackout. The packaging was horrible to take off. Oh, they got little packaging eyeliners. In blackout and plum. There. I tried it on. There's blackout. I tried it on 3 different ways. Like, you know, how I would really apply it is like in the middle, and it's hard to roll on. And then here's the plum at the end. So I'm gonna try them. I mean, and then I got a little brush, a little Ulta Beauty blush brush, which I need a blush brush. I don't know if this will do it for me though. It's so tiny. I feel like this is like little kids makeup, except for the Ulta Beauty, which the whole thing out of all that little package, I'm excited for the coupon, and I'm excited for the tinted eye primer. I'm good. The rest I think I'm gonna give to my niece. But this I'm gonna keep, and I'm gonna try it out, because so far these are the other 2 things that I bought aside from that gift with purchase. These are just things I bought on myself recently, because it's a buy 2 get 2 free. I think it's all the way until the end of December, if I'm not mistaken. So I bought these 2, and I got 2 free, and I got them in the same shade. I got the matte eye primer in nude. You guys can see, is it focusing? And then I got the tinted eye primer in the peach glow. Right there. I've used them both so far. I actually am using this one on my eyes right now, and I'm gonna see the wear on it. I've used this a couple of times already. Love it. I really do. I like the tintedness to it. So that's why I'm excited about getting this one, the tinted eye primer and satin blush. I didn't pick it up because I was like, no, if I'm gonna get something, I need this. And then so much product comes into it, and I love the way it squeezes out. Let's squeeze out. So see how it comes out like this? See the tip? Why is this Satin Beauty in blush have this big old hole like that? I don't get it. See? Where the regular product has that. I'm not sure why they did that. But yeah, so far I'm liking it. So far, I mean, let me wipe off my hand right here so you can see the way it comes out. It's thicker. You know, you have to squeeze for it to come out. That's the only part that I'm like, why you guys squeeze so hard? But here it is. That's it right there. And that's the matte in just nude. And then right next to it, again, you gotta like squeeze. But a little goes a long way. So I feel like these are gonna last me. And I have 4 of them now. I went from 0 to 4. And the only one I've ever had before was the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. That's the only thing I can match it to see like the lasting power and stuff like that. Look how pretty. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that so pretty? It's right here. The peach one. So yeah. And then lastly, I got full coverage liquid concealer, waterproof liquid concealer. I didn't get them because they're waterproof. I just got them because I really wanted to try them. I've heard such good things about them from Jessica Braun. And I got the warm, medium, and light warm. Now the reason why I did that, they're like this. Can you see the difference in the color? The reason why I did that, I feel like warm, medium, it's buy 2 get 2 free. Now's the time to get it. The reason why I did that is because I feel like this is the medium warm. Let me clear off my hand. Okay. So there's that. And then let me put a light medium. I like to sometimes go a little bit lighter. I put my concealer underneath my foundation, and sometimes I put it on top, but sometimes I put it under, and I want it to brighten underneath. So these are the 2 colors. I feel like this is going to be more of my everyday color, the warm medium, And then this is going to be like to give an extra brightness. I'll just add like a couple of drops in there. And I like them. So far, I've been using them. I didn't use them under my eye today. I didn't use anything under my eye because I'm trying out the Color FX. Let me blend it out. I'm trying out the Color FX concealer slash foundation stick. It's my color. It's in G40 6A15 cover click. I got the trial size. So I'm trying this out, and I just wanted to see if it was gonna, everything's dying on me. All my things are dying on me. But anyways, so to wrap this up, that's what I got. And I just wanted to see if it worked as a concealer. I wish I would have put concealer on today because I slept at 4 o'clock in the morning. So yeah. Anyways, wrapping this up, that's the products I got from Ulta. That's what I'm going to be trying out. I don't really know. From this whole beauty little bag, gift with purchase bag, the tinted eye primer is what I'm excited about, and that coupon. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be trying out these products, testing them, and telling you what I think. Again, yeah, I was like, yeah, you're on this journey with me. Thank you for joining this journey with me. And I'll be talking to you guys later, okay? Alright, bye!